What is the Managing Safely Workplace Assessment Project all about? The purpose of the Workplace Assessment Project is to find out if you can apply what you have learned about risk assessment and risk control to your workplace. You carry out a simple risk assessment of your work environment and record your findings on the paperwork provided. The Astutus Guide to the IOSH Managing Safely Workplace Assessment Project has lots more advice to help you. The guide and IOSH paperwork can all be found within your course in the e-learning website. The rest of this animated guide will give you an idea of what you need to do for the Workplace Assessment Project. To start, you need to complete your details, first as a student and then as a risk assessor at the top of the form. Then, you need to describe the environment you are going to be carrying out the risk assessment for. This includes describing the work area and the task being performed. You will then complete the details of the risk assessment in your work environment. You will need to identify 4 hazards that are not being adequately controlled. Next, you need to choose one of the hazards and work your way through the risk assessment, identifying who might be harmed, the risk controls that are in place already, and the current risk rating using the 5x5 risk rating calculator provided. You then need to use the action level table provided to decide on further controls that are needed. You should also calculate the residual risk rating using the 5x5 risk calculator again. You will also need to state who will action or monitor the controls and when the action or monitoring needs to take place. Then you will repeat all of this for the other 3 hazards you have identified. There are also boxes for you to provide some further details and provide a review date for the risk assessment. Once you have completed the paperwork, go back and make sure you have filled in all of the boxes to ensure you don't lose any marks. The Workplace Assessment Project can be word processed or handwritten. You can send your Workplace Assessment Project to us by email or by post. One of our Astutus tutors will mark it and then it will be sent to IOSH for verification. Once we hear back from IOSH, we'll let you know if you've passed.
Yes!